Alright, hey y'all, so we're back and today we're doing a wig installation on Timani's head. So, I don't know what kind of wig this is. I'll insert a picture.
Oh, here, right here.
So her hair is already washed and braided. We got our wig cap from local beauty supply store, $1. Head is dumb big.
Mad funny.
Jesus. Oh, didn't you want pins?
Yeah, that's fine.
This cap is dumb tight. It's all the way up. Whew. Y'all, this is a beginner's. This is our first time doing this.
That's one clip. We have to cut the lace first. Because then there's another clip right there.
Yeah, well, we just showing them what it looks like straight out of the thing.
I thought it was 2 clips. I don't see another clip.
This video is about to be hilarious. Hilariously done.
See, it looks like mad hair. We might have to like flat iron.
Yeah. But it does look nice though.
Do you like it?
Not right now.
I'm so dead.
That's Sean. Did you force this?
Yes, but
Should have kept this in the box.
in the car, you got to use it again.
Jesus. Okay, so this is what it looks like straight out of the straight out of the box. As you can see, it's like super thick, and she looked like his grandma. Grandma. But the hair is nice. It's really thick. It actually does like look pretty nice. Okay.
Yeah,
Already feeling yourself. This hair is long though.
I know.
Hair is long. It's nice. Stand up. So you can see.
So it looks nicer in the camera than it do.
Waist down.
She said it's 16 inches.
So on her back, I don't know if y'all can even see. Ooh, hair is like down here. Is 1, 2, 3 clips. 1, 2 right there. And another one right here. And there's also adjustable straps in there too. Also. And there is like lace all across here, so. Can I get this together? That's why I be dying at these because there'd be a lot going on. Lace your hair and the parting space. It's a pretty good, decent size. Okay, y'all, so we put this on the part and it is something different. So, we did the got to be blue, but it's still like, yeah, it's not that. Okay, how to get this out?
Are the clips in though?
That's something you have to ask yourself. what I'm saying. We might have to lay it down, but it'll be on your hair.
That's fine.
Got to be number 4. Y'all, it's coming along though, okay?
Timani, let's cut that. Timani, we could cut it up on the angle.
Wow. You like the hair now? I can't. Once we cut it, it can't come back. It can't come back, yo. Oh, I'm scared.
Do it on the angle. Downward angle.
Perfect.
So that's cute.
Cutting without cutting.
Now do a little more piece.
A little more?
See, look, like if it was all that way.
That's
So, it's not getting close. I can't see myself. Oh.
So that's what the hairline looks like. You're too far. That's what the hairline looks like. Okay, there you go. Okay. So bring your head down. And yeah. So that's what the part looks like. And it doesn't look bad.
Oh, that's a cute length, Timani.
So where you want it, right here?
No?
Yes. It's like this is too much freaking hair in one. Come on. This is too much freaking hair.
Oh, God.
That was like sewing off paper.
Timani, it looks nice. We could curl that, but no, we don't even have to.
Okay, y'all. So I did the rest of her head off camera, and I'm just showing you guys how I did the last piece again, just in case you missed it. Now I'm no pro. I did cut her hair like razor style with the scissors. I didn't like do a blunt cut because she wanted to still keep the layers. But if you're going to use this style of cutting, please do smaller pieces of hair so it's not like pulling on the wig like the way that I did. Just keep in mind again that this is my first time, and we just wanted to show you, you know, what are some common struggles that you might go through when doing your wig for the first time. It was a success. Yay! Okay, so we're till, I guess I'll post a update on Instagram. So follow me on my Instagram at Rockin' with Mani.
Rockin' with Mani.
If you want to see an update on how this hair mess it up. And if you like this, we could bring you more. Give it a thumbs up, comment if you want more of this. This was our very first time doing this wig, and soon mine will be coming because this winter ain't doing my hair no good. It's treating me bad. I don't like it. So you'll be seeing mine soon. And y'all, I call it a success. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. And I will see y'all again sometime this week.